Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I have the September 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a $28 a month beauty subscription. If you add on the $1.99 handling fee, let's just consider this a $30 bag. You do get to select 3 of your 5 products, which you would think would make it an awesome bag, and sometimes it does, but if my memory is correct, I did not like my choices this month. I don't remember specifically what my choices were. I just remember complaining to a friend that they were horrible. Lots of repeats, lots of items I've either already picked up via add-ons, seen during add-ons or pop-up sales, or that I've gotten in my BoxyCharm. As I unbox, my memory may be sparked and I will float things on the screen. All right, enough rambling, let's dive in. And first comment is, it's like not sealed and there's like tape just wrapped around, but somebody could have shoved their hand in here, although it's quite full. Did I get add-ons? I don't know. All right, nothing came inside the bag like it normal. We have a nice purple, feels like a polyester blend. What does that say? That is beautiful. What do you call that? Reminds me of a disco ball. And it says, "You got this." Oh yes. First item, memories kicking in. It's not a good memory. All right, first item is right here. Let me take it out of the packaging. This here is the Faux Croc Bag. I want to say it retails for like $19. This was one of my choices, so you know if I'm picking a little bag that the other selections were not very good. Interesting, they advertise it more like a purse, but to me the shape and size, this and the mere fact that it's just open, no side pockets. Oh, no side pockets. It's giving me makeup bag vibes. However, it does come with a strap. Very interesting, very curious. But this sadly was better than the other options, which will float on screen. Leave me your thoughts and comments. I don't know why the straps would go on just one side. Wouldn't that make it very flippity floppy or not balanced? I guess I would expect one to be on one side, one to be on the other. Interesting. All right, I could complain about that bag all day long, but let's move along to the next product. All right, what do we have here? Something very tiny from Complex Culture. This is the POUT CLOUT lipstick, and it's in the shade Legend, which on the side of the box looks to be like a plum. Let's see how dark of a shade that is. The packaging is quite nice. It has some weight to it. I'm not a fan of this caramel color. I preferred when they used that gray. It does seem to have it has a magnet. That's pretty nice. Let's look at the shade. Okay. It's very pretty. It's kind of like a raisin plum. I don't know. I can't describe colors I don't use and enjoy. It's just, you know me. I'm a nudie pink kind of a gal. All right, what does this retail for? Wow, this retails for $24, which at that price point, I want to say that's more expensive than a Huda, Ofra, or even a Tarte lipstick. Complex Culture, aka Ipsy. The packaging is very nice though. All right, next item, we have some brushes. I believe I also selected these. These are quite lovely. Black with the pink. They're heavy. This is a metal handle. By the way, these are from a brand called YC Collection. I'm not familiar with that brand. These retail for $45. Seems a little pricey for a brand I'm not familiar with. But there is a nice, I guess I would use this for blush, and then 2 eyeshadow brushes. This would be good for blending, and this is good for packing on color on top of the lid. Will I ever be mad at getting brushes? No. Do I have way too many? Yeah. I still don't care. I will always get brushes. All right, next item. All right, we have a skincare item. This is from the Inky list. It is SELFLESS by HYRAM, and it's a retinol and rainbow algae repair serum. Again, normally I like to try and pick makeup products, but the selections were not the best. This, by the way, is very lightweight. How many mLs are in this? Okay, it's standard 30 ml. Seems a little smaller for some reason. It feels very lightweight. Let's see if it's safety sealed. It is not. All right, so let's do a little test. See if it has a scent. And what, whoa! Okay, a lot more came out than I was expecting. It is very runny. Well, I guess it's serum, but still it's more runny than other serums. Has a yellow color to it. Oh, it has a decent scent. For some reason, when I read algae, I thought I was going to be one of those not so good smelling, earthy, natural scents, but it's very soft and subtle. I'm going to describe it as not obnoxious. It's not floral. It's kind of like spa-like, but good spa. I don't know. It kind of dissipated once I rubbed it into my hand. All right, it's not sticky. I will always use skincare. I am 55 years old. I just prefer to pick makeup when available. All right, let's see how much that retails for. All right, the serum retails for $30, which is on par for a serum. Not too shabby. All right, and the last item is from this lovely, boring white packaging that immediately tells me this is something from NATASHA DENONA. This here is the Cupid Cheek Duo, and I swear I own something very similar, but let me look and see if it's the same. I think it is. Yes. Now it's coming back to me why I was so angry, mad, upset when I was doing my choices. I already own this. And I want to say this is something I picked up in the pop-up sale. So this is the one I own. This is the one they sent me. Is it just me or does the color seem slightly different? The names are the same. They're both called Cupid palettes. Wait, does it come in different shades? Let me read. Or is mine just like a year old and so it's kind of faded? Hold on a second. I honestly think these are the same, and I pray to God I didn't just mix them up. Oh, let me see if I can figure out. Okay, this is the one. This is mine. I'll swatch the one I have already, and so you can see. And then guess what? Someone's gonna get a lovely NATASHA DENONA palette in a future giveaway. There they are here. There's the highlighter. Here's the cream blush. It is a little shimmery, so if you don't like a shimmery blush, you probably won't enjoy that. I love glowy, shimmery face products. All right, let me recap everything I got in the September 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got a lipstick from Complex Culture, a repair serum from SELFLESS by HYRAM, a 3-piece brush set from YC Collection, a makeup bag / purse from Ipsy, and the Cupid Cheek Duo from NATASHA DENONA. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are probably going to be very different than your thoughts. If you didn't have as many troublesome choices like I did, you would probably really enjoy this. But for me, this was a repeat. It's a fantastic product from a fantastic brand. I already own it. The brushes are nice, and I will never complain about getting brushes. I wish this lipstick, you could have chosen the shade that you wanted. It's very beautiful. I just personally don't wear brick red. The serum's okay. I always love receiving skincare. I just already own a lot of skincare. And when you end up picking a bag and it's not even valued super high, you know my options were either repeats or garbage. But let me know your thoughts. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value of this bag. Let's see. Oh, wait, did I even mention the retail value of the NATASHA DENONA Cupid Cheek palette. The NATASHA DENONA palette retails for $42, which it's NATASHA DENONA. I still question the $24 price point of the Complex Culture lipstick. Let me know your thoughts, and please let me know if I'm being picky or dramatic. Maybe it's because I've been subscribing to beauty subscription boxes for 3 years now. The whole merger between Ipsy and BoxyCharm is really getting to me. There's been numerous times in the past 6 months where I receive a product, and it's usually I get it in Ipsy that I've already received in BoxyCharm the previous year. Or worse, I didn't get it in that box. I actually bought it myself because it was available in the pop-up sale or as an add-on. That just rubs me the wrong way because A, it tells me they're sending out year-old product. Don't like that. So I need to ponder really hard if I'm going to get rid of Ipsy. I don't know. I'm torn because A, my channel is based off of unboxing beauty subscriptions, and they are one of the larger ones. However, I've been disappointed more often than not lately, and it's bugging me a lot. Maybe I should switch and just get that $13 bag. Leave me a comment and let me know. Would you still follow and support and watch my videos if I no longer got the Ipsy Plus? I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess continue on another month and see how it goes. But if I continue to be disappointed during my selections because it's nothing I want, or worse, if I already own it, I may just have to cancel. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a big favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.